and all. Today we are learning about the food we eat. Food divided into two categories. One is healthy food, another unhealthy food. Healthy food are called good food, unhealthy food are called junk food. My friends will be show good food. Onion, bottle gourd, tomato, lady finger, egg, potato, capsicum. These are good food. Pulses, green gram, horse gram, dal, rice. These are good food. Fruits, apple, orange, banana, grapes. These are good food. My friends will be show unhealthy food. Five-star, chocolate, lollipop, cake, fruit, sweet, laddu, rasgulla, pan, biscuit, mixture, papad. These are unhealthy food. It is harmful to health. These are good food. It was good for health.
Eat healthy.
Eat healthy, stay healthy.
Again.
Eat healthy, stay healthy.
सब लोग.
Eat healthy, stay healthy.
Create a video of your talents and share it via WhatsApp on 9700491819. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.